Good morning, everybody. It's Mrs. Sinone. I'm coming to you live from the puppy's play yard in my back room. There's Puppy. Say hi. Say hi, baby. Because if I don't sit in here while she eats her breakfast, she will bark and wake up the whole house. And I'm not ready for that yet. Hi. So this morning, today, whenever you get to it, you have 2 assignments, okay? For writing, you were just continuing yesterday's assignment. So yesterday was about idioms. Idioms are those sayings that we hear all the time, like it's raining cats and dogs, or as hungry as a horse, or I could eat a horse, or drawing a blank. I can't think of another one right now, but I know there's tons of them. We use them all the time. And you're going to finish the 2 assignments on the Google Slides presentation that were part of it. Okay, so there were 2, that's why I gave you 2 days to do it. For each of the assignments, you're gonna click in the little tan box, and once you click in it, you'll see a blue outline box that comes up, and then you can type right in there. Like I said yesterday, if you can do this on a computer, it's probably going to be a little bit easier to type into. Okay, if you're not using a computer, one of the tricks that I've learned as we've been doing this online learning is if you have a phone or a tablet, if you download Google Slides, it's free, and download Google, and download Google Drive, and you log into them with your school account, it has to be your school account, then you can actually, it's a little easier on the tablets or on your phones, okay? So there's that. For math today, my math friends, okay? Today's lesson is not that difficult if you follow the steps that I've laid out for you. You have to follow those steps, okay? This is one of those lessons that if we were there in school, I would be walking around to everybody's desks and making sure that you were following the steps exactly as we would put them in our notebooks. Good news is you don't have to take notes on it because I've already given you the notes on it in the video, okay? And you can watch that video as many times as you need to solve the problems. So there's 3 things you're going to do today. The first is the mental math. Mental math lesson is about adding fractions, so you're going to do that. Mental math is not graded. Like, I'm not going to put that in my grade book. I am looking at that to see what are common mistakes we're making so that I can help you fix it during Zoom, or I'll look at it tomorrow and it may be something that I need to do like a mini lesson on for Thursday's math lesson. Okay, so I'm not grading it. It's not going in my grade book. Don't panic if it says you got a bunch of them wrong. I'm just looking to see what are the mistakes that we're making. Okay, then you're going to watch the video. The video is about, I think it's like 11 minutes long. It's not that long. Okay, I did it on Educreation so that I could actually write on it and you can hear my voice and you can see exactly how we would do it if we were in class using the smartboard. Okay. And then you have a Google Slides. On the Google Slides, the first slide is done for you. That's exactly what I want your answers to look like, okay? So when you see it, you're gonna be like, oh, okay, she wants to see this, this, and this. I do not just wanna see an answer, okay? Guys, if you do these in a calculator, your answers are not gonna come out the same, okay? I need to see the work. I'm gonna be a stickler here. Need to see the work, okay? It involves 2 skills that we've already done. We've already multiplied fractions. We've already added fractions. Now we're kind of putting them 2 skills together, okay? We will Zoom at 2 o'clock, so please take a look at the math lesson before the Zoom, so that way if you have any questions, then we can answer that. And by take a look, I mean at least, watch the video and try one of the problems. Or if you have questions about the math, the mental math, we can go over it then too. Okay, so the math lesson today, you've got the mental math, again, not graded. I'm just looking to see that we remember adding fractions, okay? 11-minute video, okay, that I created for you guys, okay? Then you've got the Google Slides. On the Google Slides, I think there's only like 4 problems that you're doing, okay? So that's for today. Any of you who have other things that you need to finish up from last week or from yesterday. Yesterday, remember, you had the vocabulary if you're in my reading, and everybody had writing. Okay, then go ahead and use this time for that too. Guys, I know that we're not going to be in the same classroom together for the rest of the year, but we are still learning. Okay, I am still teaching every day. I'm putting together these lessons, okay, and the videos when we need them to help, either videos that I create or videos that I have found that I think are good and helpful, or sometimes one of the other teachers might create a video and we kind of share them. All right, I am still here to answer your questions on Remind. Your parents can send me questions on Remind, or you can send me questions in Google Classroom. I even gave out my home phone number to all of your parents. Okay, if you have a question about something, you can call between 9 and 5. Okay, after 5, it gets a little crazy because I'm cooking dinner and everything else. Okay, but I am here, okay, to help you guys. I am still teaching you, and I'm hoping that you're still learning from me. Some of you I'm getting a little worried about, just because I'm not seeing some work. So if we're having some issues with technology, okay, guys, if your computer's not working, if you're having issues accessing the material, I need to know. Can you please reach out to me and let me know that, okay? Have your parents send a message and Remind. Have your parents give me, or you can give me a call. The number I gave your parents was 856-506-8015. That's my house line, okay? So again, everybody in my house hears when that one rings, so please only call between 9 and 5 if possible, okay? So that way we don't wake everybody up. All right, so good luck with your lessons today, okay? I'm here. We'll Zoom at 2, okay? And then we'll go on with the rest of the week. Oh, goodness, time to take